Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I'm going to talk about upcoming even semesters examinations. As you all know, every Karnataka State Law University 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB students are worrying about the upcoming LLB examinations. Instead of preparing for the exam, instead of studying for the exams, they are think about whether we will be going to promote or not, whether KSLU will be going to conduct examinations or not. Everyone is thinking about it. So this is not required, I think so. Why? Because writ petition as made by the students against Karnataka State Law University, BCI, Department of Higher Education, and UGC. In the earlier videos, I have explained about why writ petition as made from the students. Why writ petition as made? Due to non-complete of syllabus, due to unable to attend the online classes. Some rural background students, they couldn't able to attend in online classes. Most of the lecturers or professors has not trained well about online classes. These are all the grounds what we call like article 14 and 21. On the ground of article 14 and 21, writ petition as made by the different bench of students. That too, writ petition article 226. So this case is going on. So far, judgment not been announced by the High Court of Karnataka. So we have to see all those things. So let it be one side. On the other side, why our students are not preparing well for the upcoming examinations? Maybe KSLU going to conduct examinations or not, that is different issue, because as per the court order we have to obey, we have to follow. If court judgment given can be conduct the examinations, so we need to write the examinations. If the court talks about need not to conduct examination, that KSLE has to promote the even semesters students. That also we have to agree. So my advice to all students, I am seeing lot of messages. I'm seeing lot of messages from YouTube and WhatsApp group, and individually also I'm getting messages that whether KSLU will be going to conduct examinations for the upcoming, like even semester examinations they will be going to conduct or not. Please advise, please advise. My advice, sincere advice to all, please don't think about what will be happens, means whether KSLU will be going to conduct examinations or not. Please don't think about much too much. May be conducted, may not be conducted. As per the court decision, everyone has to follow. Meanwhile, please be prepared for yourself. There will be 5 to 6 subjects. We have to prepare yourself for the examination, not examinations, at least to gain knowledge from the subjects. If you study, then only you can gain the knowledge. If you don't study, how you can get the knowledge. So my sincere advice, okay, let it be. Everyone has a curiosity. You should also get curiosity. That doesn't matter. But don't think too much. What we call overthinking. Many of the students are thinking, not thinking, overthinking. That don't require. You think about yourself. Maybe if they promote, that is good. They can easily pass out for the LLB examinations. Sometimes they may conduct means, for that also you have to prepare. So this, every day I'm seeing the messages. So that is the reason today I'm here with to speak about upcoming LLB semester examinations. Even though KSLU has been announced the tentative examination date, so far KSLU have not been released timetable. Why they have not released the timetable? Maybe the court has been issued the notices to reply for the respondents as a being a respondents. Maybe there will be some reasons, specific reasons they may not announced. So we cannot say, and even nobody not knowing what is happening. That is the main important thing. I need to bring notice to all students. Please don't pass rumors. Please don't get yourself confused about your examinations. You have to prepare. That's all. You have to prepare for your examinations, not for examination, at least to gain your knowledge. So please be stop overthinking. You can think little bit about what is process is going on, what is the petition status, and what is taken care of, like department, say, like KSLU, whatever. That will be, you can inquire. That I don't mind. You can inquire little bit, but meanwhile you have to study. Study is the weapon. Study is the tool which you can grow yourself in your life. So my, as per my view and my experience, your efforts never fail in your life. If you put efforts to study about your subjects, that won't get any effect in your life. You will gain knowledge. You will confident about yourself, the subjects. After complete examinations also, you will have a basic idea about what it is, what public international says, what insurance law says, what banking law says, what family law says, what criminal law says, what CPC, IPC will says. You will come to know exactly what it is. At least you will have a basic idea about it. Some of the case laws are very important in your life whenever you take a decision on these aspects. So once again, I request to all, petition as made by the students, different benches, they have made it that cases are progress. Still it is not been given judgments from the High Court of Karnataka. We have to wait and see. Meanwhile, my request is to please study for your examinations. Whether KSLU will be going to conduct or not, that does not matter at all. So thank you very much who have been subscribed my channel, Anil Kumar Keti, who have been motivated me to give good videos. For them also I am very much thankful. And please do subscribe my channel. Please do forward my videos as many as possible, so that they will also get benefit from my videos. I hope my videos are helpful for your pursuing your LLB examinations and all kind of related aspects under Karnataka State Law University. Thank you.